7 here. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to get the heart tunnel eyes, or how to do the trend rather, on TikTok. So if you should go to TikTok and you should search heart eyes trend, you'll be greeted with these amazing videos by persons showcasing an up close view of their eyes and a heart being reflected in their eye. Now these persons use a television screen or a tablet screen or some sort of screen to project this in their eye. However, TikTok released a filter in which you can easily do this. So what you could do is to simply, well, I already have the filter saved in my favorites. So if I should go to my favorites and effects and click on effects, as you can see here, it is the heart eyes effects. And what I will do is I will leave a link in the description for you to download this, or you could actually find any one of these persons. So if you should search heart eyes or hashtag heart eyes, you would definitely see these persons and you'd be able to use this effect. So you simply click on use this effect and ensure that TikTok has permission to access your camera or record videos on your device. However, I'll leave a link in the description so you could easily click and appear right on this page where you'd be able to use this effect. So I hope this was helpful in getting you to use the heart eyes or hop onto the heart eyes trend on TikTok if you're not able to record from a screen. So that is it for this video. Hacker 7 out.